Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. Am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Now please confirm to me. Am I audible? Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen clearly. Please type in questions box, guys. Please respond to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, fine. Please, all of you respond to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, am I audible? Guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you? Guys, everybody please respond to me. Yeah, there is a questions box. There we can type it. Right. Good morning, guys. Right, sir. Now, so in the last session, just we completed how to install Java software, then how to download Java software, and then how to install Java software. So these points we completed in the last session. Okay. So before that, once again, I want to review the content what we completed in the last session. So the topic is steps to prepare first Java application. Okay. Then one more thing, people have asked to me yesterday, sir, where can I get your notes, documents, what you typed there? Given already clarity, this is a link. Take at least picture, image of it. This is a link where we can get the daily classroom notes. Okay. So in this link only, we can see the total daily classroom notes. Just what you have to do, type this URL on the browser, then we are able to get documents, list of documents. There we can open first application development. There we can see the total current class document. Okay, right. In steps to prepare first Java application, then what are the various steps here we have to discuss? We are having there now, right? Right. And one more last intimation. So I can share only classroom notes document only, but recorded videos, our admin people will share that. Directly we can talk with our admin people there. Okay. Right, sir. Recording videos, then we have a separate department for it. We can go to the second floor, or maybe I'll give some numbers at the end of the session. There we can talk with the admin people, then they will give the total access to you regarding the recordings. Yeah, don't worry. Every class is being recorded. Every class recordings will be provided for you. Don't worry. Fine. In the steps to prepare first Java application, nearly 6 steps here we are having. What are the 6 steps here we are having there? The very first one, download and install Java software. And the second one is download and install editor software. Simply speaking, Java editor software. Open editor and write Java program. Save Java file. Compile Java file. Execute Java application. Then we started with download and install Java software. Inside this, download and install Java software. Overall 3 steps. First one is download the Java software. Second one is install the Java software. Third one is provide setups for Java software. Provide Java software setup in our computer. They are the 3 steps overall. First one is download Java software. Alright, sir. Now, already given some links to download Java software. Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. Understand it clearly. Just for the sake of your awareness purpose, 1 minute. I want to uninstall one Java software from my machine and I want to install one software, only one. Right? I'll not repeat the total content, just model. I need to show this. Yeah. Yesterday, I said to you clearly, if you want to uninstall any software, what we have to do? We must go to like what there? We must go to the control panel. In control panel, programs option is available where there is a link like what there? Uninstall a program. If you open it, whatever the softwares which are being installed in our system, all their list is available. What version here we want to install there? Java 6 version I want to uninstall. Again, I want to install the Java 6 version. Java 6 update, it is available here. Now, before that, any Java 6, no? Alright, so now here it is available. Right click on it and uninstall. Okay, right. I'm going to uninstall Java 6. Two products are going to be installed. In general, when we install Java software, one is a JDK, another one is JRE. JDK, what is the abbreviation for it? No, Java Development Kit. JRE, what is the abbreviation for it? No, Java Runtime Environment. Actual Java software is a JDK only. Actual Java software is what there? JDK only. JRE is providing some runtime environment to run our programs. That runtime environment includes runtime libraries. Runtime environment includes what there? Runtime libraries and some runtime setups. Understand it? No? Actual Java software is what there? JDK only. Understand it clearly. In the latest versions of the Java, JDK and JRE both are not separated. Both are available in JDK only. Say for example, Java 17, if you want to install there, where we are able to get both JDK and JRE inside the JDK only. Okay, sir. Now totally Java, that means JDK, right? Then Java 6 version I have uninstalled. Observe carefully. Just I'm going to show this. Now try to understand it 1 minute. No, what I have uninstalled here. If you want to see this, in my system, Java softwares are available here. Only overall four products are installed. What are the four products now? We can see Java 7, that means Java 7, Java 8, JDK 7 and JDK 8. Only these are available. Have you seen anything like Java 6 and JDK 6? No, no, such kind of things are not available. Okay, leave it, no problem. After this, now my next point is what then I want to show. 1 minute I want to show. I want to download the Java software, Java 6 version. I want to download from my machine, from internet. I want to download from internet. Okay, now all of you observe carefully. If you want to download Java software from internet, there just Google it. What we have to do? Google it. There we have to type Java 6 download. Search for it. No need to remember any website name. Just Google it. In the very first one or two results now, there we can say home location of the Java 6. It's okay, fine. Now see this one, Java RQ downloads. What's the meaning of Java RQ downloads? No, except the latest version of the Java, all the older versions are maintained by Oracle as RQ downloads only or RQ downloads only. So now Java 6 is the older version. So definitely it is in what there? RQ downloads only. You may ask one question to me, sir, instead of installing Java 6 version, can I install Java? No problem. We can install it, but I'll give some time. I will give exact time. There we can install Java 23rd version also. No need to worry for it. But we are in a step-by-step process now. Definitely in the future we will install that one also. But as of now, initial programming, we are going to start with Java 6, Java 7 and Java 8. Get it? What I'm telling you now. Right, sir. Right click on it, open a new tab. Now automatically it will come there. But remember it, on the base of the operating system only, we are going to download the Java software. My operating system is what there? Windows 11, 64-bit operating system. My operating system is what there? Windows 11, 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to download it. You know already how to check that our current operating system there. Go to your then file explorer, the right click, their properties. Automatically we can see about our device now, right? Not only that, the common sense is what there. What is the common sense now? In every product about the device options available. Open it, there we can get all the details about our device there clearly. Right, sir. My operating system is what there Windows 64. So I have to download Windows 64 related Java software only. Just now here I need to review this one. Click on download button. What it is asking there now? What is asking there? Oracle login. Why it is asking Oracle login there? Actually, if you want to download any RQ softwares from Oracle website, you should be the account holder. Okay, then creating account is a free of cost. No need to put any money. Easily we can create. There some options are asking there. We have to enter that. There it is asking. To me, all of you are getting. Am I audible now? Is my voice is clear now? Am I audible? Guys, please all of you. Am I audible? Clear, sir, but very low. All of you, please confirm to me. Am I audible? Yes, yes, please. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Yes, now, please check it. Am I audible now? Audible? Yeah, it's okay. For what? This right? Clear? Yeah. Nothing else, guys. Just I double click on the downloaded file. Then when we double click on the downloaded file, now we are getting this. Right, it's okay. Fine. Right, sir. Now, whenever we double click on the downloaded file, automatically that initialization process is going to start where we are getting like what there this content here where we are getting like what there this window. So what is this window actually? Right, sir. Welcome window. Please remember this point clearly. In the installation of the Java software, two products are going to be installed. One is a JDK, another one is what there JRE. JDK, Java Development Kit, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Everybody put more concentration. So now it is asking about the location where we want to install. So I don't like to install my softwares under program files. I like to install my softwares under directly to change the location. Change the location, we have a button. What is that button actually? Not get any problem. We can do that. Not second. Am I audible? That's it. Now check it now. Am I audible? Am I audible? Once again, please check it. Right. That's okay. No problem. Right, sir. Now, so where we are now, then what we are discussing there now, then JDK location here I provided here. In the JDK location, what I have done there, C Java JDK 1.6.0, like this here I given some location. Now observe carefully. This is a location here I given. Now click on OK button. Alright, so now location is finalized here. Click on next button. Right. Now automatically that installation is going to be completed. Now this is about like what the JDK installation. After the JDK installation, automatically it's going to ask to me JRE installation. Right. Now let's wait for it. JRE installation here we are going to see. In JRE installation, again it is asking the location where you want to install JRE. There also we have to select the location. Right, so now program files is available by default. As you know, I don't like to install under program files here. I want to remove it. Click on button. Now I'm going to remove like what there, that program files option here I'm going to remove. When I remove this program files there, the location is what there, C Java GRE6. Click on OK. Location is finalized. Click on next button. If you click on next button, now it is going to be installed. 3 billion devices run Java. That's the story here we can understand. Is that clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? So it's going to be completed. Now this is a way of installing Java software. Finally, now tell me how many Java softwares I have installed here. Today just I shown only one software. The similarly we can install Java 7 and Java 8 also. In the same way we can install Java 7, Java 8. Overall Java 6, Java 7 and Java 8. Overall three versions here we installed. Where we can identify that all the three versions of the Java. There if you want to see that now this PC inside this PC now C drive I have to open. What happened? C drive. Inside the C drive, there we can see Java folder. Inside the Java folder, now see this one. Three JDKs are available, three JREs are available. File in my system, three versions of three Java softwares here have been installed here. Is that clear? All of you are getting it now? Next one. Next. After the installation of the Java software, then what next one? No, we have to provide setups. Alright, the simple question, direct question to all of you guys. Now tell me, installation of the Java software is sufficient to use Java software through command prompt? No, not sufficient. So we need to provide some setup. What is the meaning of that setup? No, nothing. Very simple. Just we have to tell to the operating system at which location all my Java software commands are available. At which location all Java commands are actually I'm going to use Java commands and command prompt. If I want to use Java commands and command prompt, no, we have to tell to the operating system where all Java commands are available. If we give that information to the operating system, when I use a command and command prompt, operating system will go to that location. There it will search for the respective command. Then it will execute the respective command. Respective operation will be performed. Because of that reason, I have to tell that information to the operating system. To give that information to the operating system, there we are going to set a path environment variable. There we are going to set what environment variable? Path environment variable. All of you get my point now? Right, sir. Now I think so yesterday we completed setup that means download option here we completed, installation process also we here we completed. Next one is what there? Setup Java software that we are discussing clearly. After installation of the Java software in our computer, to use all Java commands and command prompt, to use all Java commands and command prompts, to use all Java commands and command prompts, sorry, to use all Java commands and command prompt and command prompt, all Java commands and command prompt, I think so, 1 minute, and command prompt, we have to provide all Java commands location to operating system. What is that location actually? Now tell me where all the commands are available. See Java JDK 1.8. If you want to use 1.8 command, then we have to set this. If you want to use 1.7 commands, we have to set 1.7 location. If you want to use 1.6 commands, no, we have to set what there? 1.6 location there. Understand it clearly. But remember it, where the Java commands are available in any JDK, bin folder is available. What is that folder? No, bin folder. There we are able to get all Java commands. Okay, sir. Right. For this we have to set the path environment variable. For this we have to set what there? Path environment variable. Right, sir. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. All of you understand this point clearly. What I am telling you, path environment variable that we have to set. Listen carefully, all of you know. In two ways, we are able to set path environment variable. In how many ways we are able to set path environment variable? Two ways. There are two ways to set the path environment variable. Right. What are the two ways of setting path environment variable? First one is temporary setup and the second one is permanent setup. First one is what their temporary setup and the second one is what their permanent setup. Now first of all, let us understand temporary setup. How path environment variable is going to be provided temporarily, temporary setup. How it is going to be available, temporary setup. Okay, all right. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. If you want to set, if you want to set the path environment variable temporarily, if you want to set path environment variable temporarily, we have to use the following command on the command prompt. Clear? If you want to set the path environment variable temporarily, we have to use like what there path environment variable. Today totally disturbing the content. 1 minute. Why it is coming continuously? Guys, now please check my audio. Sorry, video. Now check now. Is that video is coming? Is that video is coming or not? Yes, it's okay. Fine. Yeah. Now let's move to the point here. I love you. Right, sir. So something is going on here. Just let me continue. No. So if you want to set the path environment variable temporarily, what we have to do there? Now tell me. If you want to set the path environment variable temporarily, we have to use the following command on the command prompt. Okay, right. It's okay, fine. But how we are going to do this? I will show some points here and try to understand it clearly. We need to use one command, set path is equal to location where all Java commands are available. Now tell me what is the location where all Java commands are available? Already given list, no, right? Bin, any JDK bin, remember it. Any JDK bin that we have to provide. Set a path is equal to like this here we have to provide semicolon. That's it. Now this is a setup here temporarily here we have to do. Alright. This is clear. After this, after completion of this punch here, what next one here I am telling to you, all of you observe carefully. Let me show this punch here. First of all, I want to open a command prompt, CMD. CMD, command prompt I open in our system. When I open command prompt, I want to use Java C directly. What we are getting the message no, Java C is not recognized. Java C is not recognized right, an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This message here we are getting. Clear? But my requirement is what? What is my requirement? I want to tell to the operating system where is my Java C command is available. At present, operating system didn't aware about the location where Java C is available. Now I have to tell to the operating system where it is available. So what I have to do then? Set path is equal to what we have to do? Don't to type the locations always. In our system already that locations are available now. Try to get copy of that locations. JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 slash bin is available. Copy this location, and paste that location to your system. Control V, paste it. Now keep semicolon. Okay, click on enter button. When we click on enter button here, then what next one here we have to do there? Java C, Java C. Now click on enter button here. Now here we are getting all the Java C options. Whenever we are getting all the Java C options, there we can understand that Java, that means Java software is known by operating system. Operating system can aware where Java C command is available. Not only that, just I'm giving one more point clearly. Now observe carefully now. And now this time here what I'm telling there, Java C space or hyphen version. If we use there current version, what exactly the Java software we set to the path environment variable that we are getting clearly. I said, all of you are getting my point clearly. Now what is the process here? Now tell me. First of all, I have to set, right sir, now just 1 minute. Set path is equal to something else, whatever it may be. Oh, right. So now, when I type the Java C, what I'm getting there? No, nothing. Right? Java C is not available, not recognized like this here we are getting. Now, get to tell that information to the operating system, what we have to do there? Set a path is equal to the location here we have to provide. After this, Java C space hyphen version if you use now, automatically here we are able to get this content. Right, sir? Now, this is exactly the content here what we have done. Let me copy this. I want to keep that in our document here as an example here. I'm telling to you. Now try to use this one. That's it. Just it may be useful for your practice. That's the point here I'm telling to you. Got it? What I'm telling to you. It's okay, fine. After this, after completion of this punch here, there is a big problem with the temporary setup. There's a drawback with the temporary setup. Now see the temporary setup problem here. What I'm telling you. This is already one command prompt. Am I right? In this command prompt, I said path environment variable. That's nice. I'm going to open another command prompt. Again, CMD command prompt. Now, this is my another command prompt. Here we are getting it. Sorry. Yeah. Now, this is my another command prompt. So, this is another command prompt. Right now, what I'm telling there in the previous command prompt, I said path environment variable. Now, I'm typing the Java C here. Okay. What we are getting now? Now Java C is not recognized like same message here we are getting or not. Now observe carefully. So what I have to do? So here in this command prompt again operating system is not aware about the location where Java C is available. Am I right or not? Now here in this location it is not available here. So what we have to do now? Now again we have to set what their path environment variable. Set a path is equal to set a path is equal to all right. What we have to do now? The same. Sorry. Now Java C is not available. Set the path is equal to what we have to provide there. Previously we copied that location there. What location now? C Java JDK bin now. The location we copied or not? Just again copy this and go to the another one new path now. There we can type it semicolon. There we are getting it now. Now let's take this one here. Java C, right? Hyphen version. If we do this, now we are getting the required version. Mr. Got it or not? How many command prompts I provided? Two command prompts. How many times we set path environment variable? Two times we set this path environment variable. Even I want to minimize this one also. I'm going to open one command prompt. Let me open this one more command prompt here. That's it. Now here again, what I want to do there, Java C. What we are getting? Same problem. What is the solution? We have to set what there? Path environment variable. Set path is equal to the same, whatever the location we copied that we have to provide. Now, if we open this like this, now here we are able to get the Java version. Come for the conclusion. What is going on here? What is going on? What is the problem here? In a temporary setup, this is a problem. What is the problem here in temporary setup now? In a temporary setup, observe carefully. In a temporary setup, if you provide path environment variable in a command prompt, that path environment variable is valid. This path environment variable is valid. up to the present command prompt. It is not valid to the other command prompts. If you open any new command prompt, immediately we have to set path environment variable. For every new command prompt, we have to set path environment variable separately. But how is it possible for the developer to set a path environment variable on every command prompt? No? Is it the right option? Is it the right option to set path environment variable on every command prompt? How developer can remember the path every time here? Developers' main work is what they're doing application development. But doing this kind of setups in the sense, it's totally irritation kind of thing for the developers or not. So it is not at all suggestible for the developers to set path environment variable on each and every command prompt. That's why developers needs some permanent solution. Developers needs what their permanent solution. What is that permanent solution actually? Developer need not to set path environment variable on each and every command prompt. One time if he set up no, one time if he set up this path environment variable, he has to use the same setup on every command prompt without setting temporarily every time, without setting every time path environment variable. One time if we set the path environment variable permanently, that we are going to get to the every command prompt automatically. This kind of alternative the developers are required. That's clear. All of you are getting clarity on this point now. So because of this reason what I'm telling now, there we have to go for permanent setup. There we have to use what there permanent path environment variable setup. Here we have to provide. That's now let me check for it permanently. How we are going to set path environment variable permanently? That's it. Before moving on to this point, okay, now let me check this. What is the problem with the temporary setup? Now we are going to understand. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. If we set the path environment variable temporarily, then the provided path environment variable is available up to the present command prompt. Is available up to the present command prompt. Not available, not available to the other command prompts. Other command prompts. That's it. To overcome this problem, what we have to do there? We need to go for what their permanent setup. That's it. Now, permanent setup. Now here we are going to understand. Right, sir. How we are going to set path environment variable permanently? All of you understand it clearly. To set a path environment variable, to set the path environment variable permanently, we have to use the following actions. Guys, all of you are following the points what I'm telling you? All of you are okay? All of you are understanding it? Now tell me, what is the problem with the temporary setup? What is the problem with the temporary setup? The provided path environment variable is valid up to the present command prompt, not available to other command prompt. That's the main problem. If we want to make it is available to every command prompt, what we have to do? We have to go for what their permanent setup. In permanent setup, how to set path environment variable, I'm giving clarity. Is that clear? All of you okay? Now observe carefully. Steps wise, I'm telling you, now observe carefully. Now point number one. First of all, open control panel. No, not like this. First of all, right click on the this PC. That this PC may be available in our monitor or maybe desktop or wherever it may be. This PC, if we identified it, no, right click on it. Right. So now let's check for it now. Already here file system, if you open there, file explorer, here we are getting this PC. Or else maybe if we go to desktop, there also we are having what there this PC. Right click on this, right click on this PC. There what we are having there, properties are available. There we are getting what there properties. Now select the properties. Select the properties. Okay, fine. When we select the properties, then what next one here we are going to do it now, observe carefully. If we click on this now properties here, there we are having options. What options are available here? Multiple options are available. Now here we can identify this. 1 minute. Now here we are going to see like what there advanced system settings option is available. What is that now? Advanced system settings option is available. Now here what I am telling there, select select the advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. That option is available. It's okay, fine. If I select advanced system settings now, there is a window. One window is going to be open where advanced is selected by default. Right. So now select advanced by default selected. Not required to select it now, but I have to give information there. Then select the advanced tab. Advanced tab by default selected. Maximum by default selected. No need to select it separately. By default it's got selected. It's okay, fine. Next one is what? After this. After selecting advanced, now click on what button here? Environment variables button here we have to click on. Click on, right, so now click on the environment variables button. Click on the environment variables button. Right, so now let me click on this one. If we click on environment variables button, another window is created here. Another window is open. Their environment variables. Observe carefully, two parts are available. User variables for Nagoor and system variables. Very clear. In a single computer, multiple users are available. Am I right or not? In a single device, we can create multiple users. So this user variables for Nagoor is for only Nagoor user. All the setups are going to be provided for only one user. Right. System variables is a common settings for all the users. If we set up in system variables, no, that will be available for every user. But if we provide setups under this user variables, no, that is valid for only one user. I'll get my point or not? Right, sir. Now there's a point here I'm telling to you. Now in this scenario, here what I'm telling there, I want to provide this permanent setup. Right, how we are going to do this? Right, first of all, I have to go for what their user variables. Go to that user variables location. Then what's the point here I'm telling there? Go to user variables location. Go to user variables, go to user variables, then where what we have to do there, all of you understand it clearly. In user variables location, 2 points here I'm telling there. If you have path, edit it. If path is not available, create a new environment variable with the name path. Sir, got or not? If path is already available, edit. If the path is not available, then what we have to do there? And create a new environment variable with the name what there? Path. Observe carefully. Now here I'm going to give clarity. Now try to understand it. No. So go to user variables and check whether the path environment variable exists or not. Check whether the path environment variable exists or not. That's the point here I'm telling there now. Right, sir. What we have to do there, if path is already available, what we have to do now? Right, sir. Now, if the path environment variable exists, if the path environment variable exists, then what we have to do there? Then edit the edit path environment variable values. Edit the path environment variable values. Edit the path environment variable values. Then how we are going to do this? Observe carefully. Now here I'm going to provide some values also. Now try to observe carefully. Now what we have to do there? Select a path first. Then after this what we have to do? Click on edit button. Right, so now here I'm telling to you, select the path. Then what next one here? After selecting the path here, right, sir. Now select the path. 1 minute. Select the path. Then after this, click on the edit button. Click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit button, then what we have to provide there? Alright, so now I'm going to click on edit button. Then here we have to click on what button here? No, new button here we have to provide. Now here, understand it clearly. Click on, right, so now click on the new button. Click on the new button. After clicking on new button, what we have to provide there? We have to paste the value. Then what value here we have to paste there? that is JDK, whatever the path here we provided, that we have to provide. Now see this one, already copied this. See Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 bin that I'm going to provide. So here what I have to do there, click on the new button and provide, yeah, this one, provide this value, provide value, then after this, what next one here? After providing this value, click on what button here? No, OK button. Click on OK button. That's it. Now click on OK button. That's enough. Click on OK button. Just one time. If I list out all the points, no, it will be available for you permanently, right? That's why I'm pair up of all the points here. I'm giving all the points now. It's okay, fine. When it is a case, sir, now tell me. If the path environment variable already exists, then we have to do this process. Got it? What I'm telling you now. The next point here. What I'm telling you, the next one is like what there. Now observe carefully. Now the eighth point, number eight. Point number eight. If the path environment variable, if the path environment variable does not exist, then what we have to do there? Then create new environment variable with the name path. Create new environment variable with the name path. Create a new environment variable with the name path. Further purpose, what exactly the actions here we have to do. Now tell me, all of you understand it, no? For example, already it is available. I am not going to disturb it, but I will give directions to you. Now try to understand it now. We have to create what there? New button. Click on what button here? New button. Observe carefully. Now click on the new button. Click on the new button. It's okay, fine. That's it. After clicking on the new button, then what next one here I'm telling there? Alright. If you click on new button, a window is open. Another window is open where it is asking about what there? Variable name and variable value. If you enter variable name and variable value, path and the value here we can paste it now. Then remaining part is what there? We have to click on what there? OK button. Now already path is available or not? If I click on OK button now, in my system, old path is removed, new path will create. Overriding option is going to be performed here. Though I'm not going to click on OK button, but for you I'm telling that if it is not available, you can click on OK button. If it is already existed, no, just I'm showing as a model, just we can leave this one. All of you getting it or not? Right, sir. Now what I'm telling there, path variable name is what there, path variable value is what there, the value here we can provide. Right, sir. Now after this, what I'm telling there, provide the following details. What details? Now here we can understand it here. Variable name, what their path, and variable value. Variable value is what's the value here we have to provide this one. After this, after providing these data, click on the OK button. Click on the OK button. That's it. When we click on this OK button, automatically the path is going to be provided. Right, sir. If we click on OK button, all the path is going to be provided. Right, sir. Then it's okay, fine. No need to worry for it. Yeah. Right, sir. Now this is out like what there? Path environment variable here we provided here permanently. Then what remaining part here? The next one is what there? Click on OK button and again click on OK button. Two more steps here. Now directly here we have to provide there. The ninth one, for example, ninth one, click on the OK button. Right, sir. Now click on the OK button. Right, sir. Yeah, Mahbub, and I think so. No video problem. Everybody is getting the video. Please check from your side. From my side, it's okay. It's going on good. Everybody is getting video. Please check from your side, Mahbub. Okay. Thank you. All right, sir. Now understand this point clearly. Finally, what we completed, sir. Now tell me. Finally, here what we completed, you know, what content here we understood there, how to set up the path environment variable permanently. This point here we completed. That setups here I shown clearly now. Now I want to test it. I want to test it. I'm going to test it now. Now tell me here, guys. Now tell me how we are going to set it now. All right. Now to test the permanent setup, to test the permanent setup, what we have to do there, open multiple command prompts, and check the Java C hyphen version command, and check the Java C hyphen version command. I think you understood my point clearly. Open multiple command prompts and check the Java C hyphen version command on all the command prompts. Can I do this now? Observe carefully. Now here I am going to provide like what their command prompt. CMD, then is already available one command prompt here. If I open one command prompt now, if I open one command prompt here, now observe carefully. I am going to see Java C hyphen version. What version we set permanently? What version we set permanently? Java 1.8 version. See this, what we are getting there? 1.8. Directly we are getting. I am not setting again temporarily. Directly here we are getting it. It's okay, fine, good. Now again, now what I'm going to do there, I'm going to open again command prompt. Now see this one, this is another command prompt here I open. This is another command prompt. Now here again what I'm going to do there, Java C space hyphen version. Now here we are getting it. Now see this one. Alright sir, now Java C 1.8.0 like this here we are getting it clearly. Right sir, now after this. Right sir. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Now it's working, no problem. Now again, here we are getting it now. Now similarly, I'm going to open next command prompt here. Now see this one more command prompt. In all command prompts, any number of command prompts here we can open there. In all command prompts here, what we are going to get there we can see Java C hyphen version. If we use that, automatically the Java 1.8 version here we are getting. Is it all of you are getting it or not? So finally, the point is what? What is the point here I'm telling there? Now the content is what there permanently if you set the environment variable, permanently if you set the environment variable, it is available to all the command prompts. No need to set separately for each and every command prompt. Yes. Is there any? Come again? Yeah. Wait. Let me complete all the points now. Why you hurry for it? Why you hurry for it? I will discuss about it. We have see the topic is not completed immediately. Come, it will come. Okay, right. Now say this one. Right, sir. Now, finally, now tell me what I completed now. In the first application development, what I completed? Download and install Java software. That step almost all we are completing. Inside this step, how many parts I completed there? Three parts. One is downloading Java software, installation of the Java software, setups for Java software. These three parts here we completed. Got it or not? Fine. Now I have some questions. Interview questions are available, right? You have to answer for these questions. I think at this stage you are able to answer for all the questions. Whatever the questions I am going to ask there, every question you are going to answer. Now answer for it. Now very first question. The very first question, all of you understand it clearly. The very first question. So in general, these are the doubts. Instead of saying that questions now, these are the doubts for the people. The doubts I am going to clarify. Now understand it now. First doubt, I think now you are able to answer for it. No, first doubt is what there. Is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? Already, as you have seen this much of work here, we have to say what's the answer here? Yes. Answer is what there? Yes. Yeah. Yes, it is possible. It is possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer. But we have to use the following conditions. But with the following conditions only. But with the following conditions only. But with the following conditions. What are the conditions? Can all of you observe carefully what conditions I am going to provide? Already you are aware. I am giving clarity. Condition number one. All Java softwares must be the same. All Java softwares must be the operating system compatible. Operating system compatible. What's the meaning of it? My operating system is Windows 11 64-bit. You have to download the Java softwares with what? Windows 11 64-bit Java software only. That's my point now. Say for example, my Java software is Linux-based Java software, but my operating system is Windows. Is it possible to install it? Not possible. That is the reason why all the Java softwares must be operating system compatible. That's mandatory. Point number one. Point number two, right, sir? Point number two, all the Java softwares, all the Java softwares, all the Java softwares, right, sir? All the Java softwares must be in different versions. All the Java softwares must be in what their different versions. All the Java softwares must be in what their different versions. One is Java 6, another one is Java 7, another one is what their Java 8. Then only we are able to do this process. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity on this? Okay, fine. So this is the answer for this particular question, right? One more minute. Still, I'm getting the problem, guys. Guys, once again, please check it. All of you get my voice on the screen. Is my voice on the screen is clear to all of you guys? Please, all of you respond to me. Those are attending in online. Then only the today is the problem here continuously. Please check all of you get my voice on screen clearly. Yes, 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 yes. Clear. Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot. All right, sir. Right. This is one question here we completed. No need to have any practical description here. Already we have seen this answer now, right? Now let's move on to the next question here. Okay, fine. Assume it. I have installed more than one Java software in my computer with these conditions. I installed already. Next. Next one is what there. If we install more than one Java software in a single computer, if we install more than one Java software in a single computer, then which software, which software will come to the, which software will come to the command prompt, will come to the command prompt. I think you understood my question here. What's the question here I'm telling there? If we install more than one Java software, more than one Java software in a single computer, in a single computer, then which software will come to the command prompt to use? That's the question here. I think you understood my question here now. Three versions of three Java softwares are installed. What version is available to me on the command prompt here? Now tell me what is your answer here now? You should not say Java 6 or Java 7 or Java 8. That is a specific answer. I require generalized answer. What is that? Exactly. The answer is what there. What Java software we set to the path environment variable? What? What Java software we set to the path environment variable, that Java software will come to the command prompt. Yes, sir. Are you getting my point or not? Now the answer is what there. Right. Now, if we install more than one Java software under the single computer, if we install more than one Java software in a single computer, then the Java software which we provided, then the Java software which we provided to the path environment variable, path environment variable, that Java software will come to the, that Java software will come to the command prompt. That's it. That's the point. Now, practically, we are going to see this now. See this one? I think you're going to get answer from this question now. Right. So now observe carefully. Now, what we are able to get now. See this. Command prompt I've opened. Now, this is my command prompt. Right, sir. This is command prompt. Right, sir. Now inside this command prompt, first what is available? Now tell me directly if I use this Java C space version, what version we are able to get? Permanent setup here we are able to get. That is what there 1.8. Now this time what I am telling there, set path is equal to, let me go to the location where I have installed my Java software bin. Now Java C Java JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45 bin. Now let me copy this, select here, Control C, copy this. Now move on to this command prompt, then use this semicolon, click on enter button. Now Java C hyphen space version. What version here we are getting there? 1.6 version here we are getting. Next one is set path is equal to. Now this time what I want to there, directly I will go to the C Java JDK 1.7.0 underscore 80, then copy this location. Now come to the command prompt. Now here I want to paste it. Then semicolon. Click on this. Now Java C hyphen version. What we are able to get now? 1.7.0 underscore 80. Now I'm doing setups now. Same thing we can do permanently. There we are able to get it. Answer my point clearly. Right, sir. Now, what next one here? Apart from this, then what's the point here I'm telling to you after this? Now, this time, set a path is equal to. Set a path is equal to. Then what I'm going to provide the data now? C Java JDK 1.8.0 bin now. Right, sir. Now, copy this. Now, let me copy this. Now, here I'm telling to you clearly. Right, sir. Java C space a hyphen version. Now what we are getting there 1.8.0. So in this way, here we are able to set what there. In this way, we are able to switch from one version to another version, whatever it may be. My answer is what there. My question and answer is what there. If install more than one Java software in a single computer, then the Java software which we provided to the path environment variable, then the Java software which we provide to the path environment variable will come to the command prompt. Will come to the command prompt. That's the answer here we are going to understand. The required progress also, required practical we also are given there clearly. Sir, got it? What I'm telling there now? Okay, fine. Then people are asking to me one question, sir. So why are we focused on Java 6, 7, 8, although we have Java 22nd version? That's the reason why initially I give you an information to you know. Initial programming we have to start with these three versions only. Days goes on, definitely we are going to take what there up to Java 23rd version, not only in 22 23rd version also we are going to see. But why I'm going to talk about this, the simple point is what there, we are in learning process, point number one. Then we have to learn maximum information of the Java, even including versions related information also. In which version what concepts are available, in which version what other topics are available, then which versions are supporting which features, even that information also here we have to understand. That is the reason why I'm going to start programming right from Java 6 version. Understand it clearly now. Okay, up to 23rd version here definitely we are able to get more content. See, if I use Java 22nd version, all these topics are abstracted. All these concepts are not required. Then maybe you may ask one more question now. Sir, now you are discussing about multiple versions of the Java in a single computer. Now, the next question, what I am telling there, is it required to provide more than one Java version to any project in the companies? No. Is it required to provide more than one Java software for any project in the companies? Answer is very clear, no. No, that entire project is going on only one version of the Java. The total project is going on with what there? One version of the Java. All of you get my point now. There in the compilation process, I'll give some few more points clarity. What I'm telling there, compilation is on one Java version, the execution is on another Java version, not working there. It's not going to be happen. Understand my point here? There also be some rules and regulations are available. We can understand now. But the point is what there? In the companies, in the real-time application development, for projects, only one Java version is going to be used. But for getting clarity, for understanding the subject clearly, I'm showing all these points here. Yes, sir. Try to understand. Once you learn the subject, you have to play with that. So that play here, I'm telling you now. Understand what I'm telling you? It's okay, fine, clear? After this, after completion of this content here, then what next one here I'm telling to you? This is completed. Now I have one more question. What are the two questions here I've asked there? Last two questions now think about it. First one is what there? Is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? What is your answer here? Yes, it is possible, but with conditions. What are the two conditions now? First one is what? All Java softwares must be operating system compatible. Second one is what they? All Java softwares must be in different versions, not same versions. Right, sir. Okay, we decided we have installed more than one Java software with these conditions. Out of these two softwares, out of these more than one Java software, which software will come to us to use on command prompt? No. Which Java software we set to the path environment variable, that Java software will come to us on command prompt to use. Is that got or not? Now my next question is, listen carefully. My next question is, if we set, or else before this, is it possible to set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable? To a single path environment variable? To a single path environment variable? Yes, understand the point? Is it possible to set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable? That is one question. If yes, if it is possible, then which Java version, which Java software will come to the command prompt to use? I think you understood my question. Is it? Right. Now tell me what you understood about my question here. No? Now tell me here. What's the question here we are getting there? Is it possible to set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable? If it is possible, then which Java version will come to the command prompt? First of all, answer for the first question. Two questions are involved here. First one is it possible to set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable? Answer for this question is what there? Yes. Right, sir. Now, yes, it is possible to set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable. It is possible to set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable. Single path environment variable by providing semicolon separator. What is that? Semicolon separator. Yes, sir, got it what I am telling there. Right. Example here I am telling to you. Observe carefully. Set path is equal to, say for example, simple Java 6 semicolon Java 7 semicolon Java 8 semicolon. Like this here we can provide. Is it? All of you are getting clarity on this? What I am providing now? Like just locations I am not providing, but versions model here I am telling there. Java 6 semicolon Java 7 semicolon Java 8. So in general in the regular discussion, comma we provided now for continuation purpose. Now here it is what there? Semicolon. What I'm telling there? Semicolon here we can provide. Okay. Set path is equal to Java 6 semicolon, Java 7 semicolon, Java 8 semicolon. That we are able to get. Clear? Right. Now here the point is what? Out of these three, out of these versions, out of these more than one Java software, which version will come to us to use? Which version will come to us to use? Now try to understand it. No. If you set the path environment variable, sorry, if you set more than one now, if you set more than one, if you set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable like above, path environment variable like above, observe carefully. The first Java software, the first Java software in the order which we provided to the path environment variable will come to the command prompt. Is it? Please try to understand it now. What's the point here I'm telling there? If you set more than one Java software to a single path environment variable like above, the first Java software in the order in which we provided, to the path environment variable will come to the command prompt. That means here in this example, first one is what there? Java 6. That will come to the command prompt. If we said Java 7 is the first now, that will come. If we said Java 8 is the first now, that will come to the command prompt here now. All of you get my point or not? That's, now I'm going to show that practically. Now try to observe carefully. That's okay, fine. Now leave this here. All of you understand it now. First of all, set a path is equal to, let me provide this content here. Set a path is equal to JDK 1.6 and bin. Right, sir. Now let me copy this location here. Semicolon. What is it? Separator, semicolon. In general, in outside, comma. But here it is what there? Semicolon. Remember it. And the next one is what there? After this, see Java JDK bin. Right, sir. Now let me copy this. Now this is what version here? No? Java 7. Just one more minute. Now get. I need to get what there? Java 1.8. Now let me check for it. Let me copy this. Right, sir. Now semicolon. I set it. Now tell me, in which order can I provide all of them? First is Java 6, next is Java 7, next one is Java 8. Java C space hyphen version. What version we are getting there? 1.6 version here we are getting. Got it or not? Okay, fine. Now see this one. In the same, I'm going to change it. No, 1 minute. I copied this. Right, sir. Now see this one. Which version is it? First version here, no? 1.7, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.6. Now let me check for it. Java C hyphen version. If we use that, what we are getting there? 1.7 here we are getting. Right, sir. Next one is after this. Now here 1.7 here I copied now. Right, sir. Order is what there? 1.8, 1.6, 1.7. Now let me check for it. Java C space version. Here we are getting what there? 1.8 version here we are getting. Yes, sir. Got it or not? So first what we said there? 1.6. Next what we said there? 1.7. Now what we are getting there now? 1.8 version. That means which version is the first version in the order? That version will come to the command prompt to use. Get my point now? Right, sir. Now let me check for it. Right, sir. Now this is the view here we can understand clearly. Got it? Right, sir. One more question is remaining here, but I want to give that question as an assignment to you. You have to complete it. Have you installed Java software in our systems? Yesterday, not installed. At least today, try to install it. I'm going to give one simple question to you that try for this question there. Definitely, I'll discuss about it and tomorrow, but meanwhile, we have to try for it. What's the question here I'm telling to you? Observe carefully. Listen carefully. If we set Java 1.8 version permanently and Java 1.6 version temporarily, Java 1.6 version temporarily, if we set path environment variable, if we set Java 1.8 version permanently and Java 1.6 version temporarily to the path environment variable, then which version will come to the command prompt to use? Which version will come to the command prompt to use? One is in 1.8 is in what there? Permanent. 1.6 is in what there? Temporarily. Then which version will come to the command prompt? That we have to understand clearly. Yes, sir. Just will you try for it? Otherwise, then definitely I will show that. No problem for me. I'll show that. But meanwhile, just we can try for it now. Got it? What I'm telling there? Okay, sir. Good. Anyway, session is completed. Just 2 minutes of time. Yesterday, might be people have asked to me, sir, what is the process of completing these courses? What we have to do there? People have asked to me. I want to give some confirmation to all of you. Now, try to understand it. 7 to 10 is my time. Myself is responsible for core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. The 7 subjects I'm going to deal. So my timing would be like what there 7 to 10. These 3 hours of time I'm planning there. In which way I'm going to plan that I will take the responsibility. Understand it clearly now. Even my target is also be what there. Now I'm taking 7 to 8:30. Within a weekdays of time, within a weekdays of time, I'm going to start 8:30 to 10 o'clock class also. At 8:30 to 10, I'm going to take object orientation. Few days of time I have to continue. After starting 8:30 class also, few days of time I have to continue this 7 to 8:30 classes. 7 to 8:30 and as well as what there 8:30 to 10. Initially core Java. When 7 to 8:30 fundamentals are completed, then I will plan to start advanced Java at 7 to 8:30. Understand? But not immediately. You need to have some knowledge in core Java. After that only I'm going to start what there advanced Java at 7 to 8:30. Right? When advanced Java is in middle, meanwhile when core Java is completed at 8:30 to 10 o'clock, no, I will start frameworks like Hibernate or Spring, Spring Boot, microservices like this in a sequence. I'm going to start. But every 2 courses are dependent. Every 2 courses are dependent. Core Java is a dependent for what their advanced Java. Advanced Java is dependent for what their Spring about microservices and web services. I have a clear plan. As per that, I'm able to start the classes. But the point is what there 7 to 10 is our time for Java. In full stack Java, nearly 14 to 15 subjects are available. Okay, you are giving roadmap for only Java. But what about the remaining courses now? I'm giving clarity after 10 o'clock and up to night 9 o'clock, all classes are going to be started at Durgasoft. Remaining courses, Oracle maybe, UI technologies maybe, all the remaining 7 courses are going to be started. Parallelly, we can start as per our comfortable time. Other trainers will teach that. But my classes are what there? Java 7 to 10 is a fixed time for me. But within this time, don't join for any other classes. Those are in full stack Java. I'm telling that. Those who are related to Java. Understand it now. Other courses we can start at any other time. After 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock to up to night 9 o'clock. Institute is available. There we can start with any other classes. But 7 to 10 is what there my timing. I'm going to take this part. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point now. In core Java also, 7 to 8:30 classes, I need to continue up to 20 to 25 days of time from this point onwards. But meanwhile, within a weekdays of time, 8:30 to 10, I will start object orientation topic. That's the main topic. I have to start immediately. I'm waiting to complete this topic only. If I complete this topic there, you're eligible to attend for WOOPS concepts. I'm going to start WOOPS parallelly. Parallel, I'm going to take what are the basics of this core Java, if conditions and while loops, all the topics I'm going to take at 7 to 8:30. Both are going to be completed. Then your core Java permanently is going to be completed at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Oops onwards, remaining total part will be completed at what time there? 8:30 to 10 o'clock. At 7 to 8:30, only 3 topics. Introduction part, steps to prepare first application, and language fundamentals. So these 3 topics only. Once if I complete these 3 topics, no, I'll plan for advanced Java at what time here? 7 to 8:30. Then at 8:30 to 10 o'clock, after completion of core Java, some other technology. Like this, parallelly 2 courses we are planning in Java. Remaining courses we can plan at any other time here. Understand it now? Okay. Along with this core Java, what I have to learn, what I am going to learn. If you come for this point, along with the Java, I'm giving clarity. Along with Java, we can start Oracle. You can start UI technologies. You can start DevOps also, if possible. Understand my point here? We can start DevOps also. Like these many courses here, we can start. But don't go with React.js without having knowledge on UI technologies. And testing tools, okay, if you have knowledge on core Java, then you can go for what the testing tools. If you're not having Java knowledge, no, it may take some time. But anyway, still if you want to learn it, no, then we can ask to your testing tools faculty to teach a little bit about Java, fundamentals of the Java. In general, testing tools faculty also will teach required part of the Java, core Java required part, object orientation mainly. So, but my suggestion is what there. Once we completed this object orientation at least, then we can start with what there that testing tools or whatever it may be. No. So this is the road plan. This is a clear cut plan how we are going to complete it now, right? So now Clearly, what I'm telling there, within a weekdays of time, we are going to attend for two sessions, 7 to 8:30, and as well as what there, 8:30 to 10. 7 to 8:30 up to language fundamentals I will take. 8:30 to 10, whoops onwards, I'll continue the remaining part of the core Java. This is a good schedule, sir. What I'm telling you, know, right? Right, sir. That's all for today. We'll meet on tomorrow. I think you got answer for your question. I think you asked some question there, right? Sir. Yeah, yeah. That otherwise, then come to me. I will explain to you. Know, okay. Right. Thank you. Email you. Then tomorrow we'll meet. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part. Thank you. Hmm. Yeah, guys, those who are attending in online, 1 minute now. Please type your mobile numbers here. Then I think that mobile numbers are missed at our office there. Please type your mobile numbers, guys, in a chart in a questions box. Please type your mobile number so that our people will be in contact with you. They will be in touch with you. Guys. Then those who are attending in online, then please type your mobile numbers on questions box so that our people then will contact with you. Okay. Please, all of you, type your mobile numbers there. Okay. Yeah, path. I will show that. Yeah, then tomorrow I will show that. Don't worry. Classroom I will show that. Where? Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, we can do that. Same thing. It will be permanent. It will dominate. And 22 also. Hmm. But if you install 6, 7, 8, and 22, no, 22 will dominate always. By default, 22 will come. I think you are saying in IntelliIDEA, no? IntelliIDEA, anything we can use, no problem. That will come automatically. Sure. Thank you. Yeah, come. Hmm. అది ఒక్కోసారి ఏదో సర్వర్ ఏదో కొంచెం ఇష్యూ ఉంది అది అరకిల్ వెబ్సైట్ది డిఫరెంట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడితో ట్రై చేయండి అంతే ఇంకంతే ఆప్షన్ ఇంకా అంతమించి ఏం లేదు లేదనే పనిదే ఇంకేదైనా వేరే థర్డ్ పార్టీ వెబ్సైట్స్ కూడా కొన్ని ఉంటాయి దానిలో కూడా వస్తూ ఉంటాయి జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ చూడండి మ్యాక్సిమం ఛాన్స్ ఉంటాయి అలాగే దీనిలో ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో ట్రై చేయండి లేదంటే ఎక్కడ ఏది వచ్చినా సరే పర్లేదు ఇన్ ద కేస్ టుమారో మీకు సిచ్యువేషన్ రాకపోతే నాకు చెప్పండి నేను ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను డ్రైవ్లో అప్పుడు తీసుకోవచ్చు మీకు యా ప్లీజ్ వాట్స్ ఇట్ 7 to 8:30 class. I think you attended, right? Not immediately. After 1 week of time. Not immediate. After 1 week of time, we will go with. We'll go with what there? This 8:30 class also. Yeah, but if you join here, then you may get confusion. Yeah. Even though it's a somewhat different topic, I'm telling you. Better come after 1 week of time, you'll get in more clear. Right. Yeah, come. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. No, no. Just my intention is what there. I want to show programming with all the three versions now. For example, in Java 6, some new points are available. In Java 7, some other new features are available. In Java 8, other new features are available. So I want to show all the features related to Java software. So then what I have to do, I will set Java 6 first. I will show program there. I will show some results. Then I will switch to Java 7. Then I will show some programming execution there. Then I will show some other conclusions. So in that way, I'm planning there. My intention is not like what there. All three versions at a time, we are unable to get a command prompt. Only one version we are able to. Later, we have to switch. Later, we can switch from one version to another version. Then we can go for it. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Actually, the schedules are almost all fixed. Why? Because I see even some other people are also attending for it. Was it? Uh, yeah. Okay. Then how long it's going on there? When you joined, how many days back? 1 week completed. Where? There. Acha, acha, acha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay then. Huh? Awesome. నేను చెప్తాను. Yeah, guys. Then don't worry. Then I'll talk with you regarding the timing. Then timing will be. I'll give once again, guys. Don't worry for it. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll meet. Don't worry.